Hi everyone, welcome to Aussie Money Tree channel. I'm starting this space to share what I have learned through my own experience with property investing here in Australia. Whether you're just starting out or already exploring investment options, I hope my videos will give you some clarity, confidence, and real world insights and also impact your financial life in a positive way. Now, a quick disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. Everything I share here is based on my own journey and research. So please do your own due diligence or speak with a licensed professional before making any investment decisions. All right, let's get into the 7 major benefits of buying an investment property in Australia. Benefit 1, rental income. So, one of the most attractive things about investment property is the rental income. When you buy in a good location with rental demand, your tenants are essentially helping you pay off your mortgage. Over time, the property can start generating a positive cash flow, especially as rents increase or you pay down the loan. You may not become rich overnight, but it's a reliable source of passive income in long term, and that is a huge win. Benefit 2, long term capital growth. Australian property, particularly in major cities and some regional areas, has historically shown strong capital growth. This means your property value increases over time and growing your equity without you doing anything as long as you have picked a solid suburb. The key here is buying in areas with demand, infrastructure growth, and long term livability. Benefit 3, tax benefits and negative gearing. One big benefit available to Aussie investors is tax advantages. If your expenses are more than your rental income, you may be able to claim the loss against your taxable income, and this is called negative gearing. You can also claim depreciation, which is the decline in value of your building and its fixtures over time. These deductions can help reduce how much tax you pay each year. But definitely check with your accountant or financial advisor to see how it applies to your situation. Benefit 4, leverage and using the bank's money. So with property, you don't need to pay 100% of the amount upfront. You can use leverage, which is like you pay 10 to 20% deposit to buy the whole asset and the rest is borrowed from the bank. This amplifies your return if the property grows in value. For example, a 100k deposit gets you a 500k property. If that grows by 10%, your return is based on the 500k value and not just your deposit, which is 100k. That is the advantage of investing in the property market. Benefit 5, equity growth. As the property value increases, your loan gets paid down, you build equity, which is like your unlocked wealth in the home. So you can access that equity later to invest in another property or renovate or even diversify your portfolio. This is how many Aussies grow from one property to two, three, and more over time. So, benefit 6, inflation hedge. The property is often seen as a hedge against the inflation. As the living cost goes up, so do property values and rents. So, while inflation eats away at cash, property tends to hold or grow its value, and the rental income often rises with inflation too. Benefit 7, which is the last benefit, forced appreciation. So, unlike ETF or shares, with property you can actively increase the value through renovations, subdivisions, or development. Even something as simple as fresh coat of paint, a kitchen update, or landscaping can boost your property's rental income or resale value. So, this is called forced appreciation, and it's a big reason property attracts DIY investors. So another bonus benefit is it's a tangible asset. The property itself is a tangible asset. You can see it, touch it, and drive past it. For many people, this gives a sense of security and control, especially compared to paper assets like shares. So there you have it, the 7 solid reason why buying an investment property in Australia can be a powerful wealth building tool. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, because in the next few videos we will be digging more into this area and we will learn together. Comment below which of these benefits is more important to you, or do you have any other questions about your first property? Please drop in your comments. See you next time.